Hey guys, it's day 23 of 100 days of DSA challenge, and today we have the question 643 maximum average subarray 1. So in this question you are given an array. So the reason I've taken this question is because I'm starting sliding windows properly from today. So for some days I'll be solving sliding window questions. I'll try to solve them for like next 2 days and concrete my sliding window concept. So here's the question. Nums is an array and this is the array, and we have to return the maximum average value in the k window. So basically if the k is 4, then the window size is 4. So I have to find the average, the maximum continuous average subarray, like the maximum continuous subarray which has the maximum average and window size 4. Okay, so like this is the subarray of window size 4. I can find the average. This is the subarray window size 4. I can find average. This is subarray window size 4. I can find average, and I have to return the maximum value. So it's pretty easy. And today I learned in my college, like all the sliding window protocols, they are very similar, and they follow a usual concept that you take a left variable, which is usually I, and you take a right variable, which is usually j, like left and right. Okay, so usually we take that and we simply just move through the window, and we do some operation on these. In cases like if our condition is met, then there are changes in this. If another condition is met, that changes in this, and so on. So that's why I've taken up this simple question. So for example, our array is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what I'm going to do is, initially both of these will be 0. Okay, initially my I and j will be both on here. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm first going to calculate the first window's average. Okay, so let's say k equal to 3. Okay, let's say k equal to 3. Then I'm going to calculate the first window average, so that is this. Okay, so this is the first window. So I'm going to run a for loop from I equal to 0 till I less than k. Okay, so if k is 3, then the index is 2 1 0. So it will run in here, and I'll just sum plus equal to sum. It will be initially 0 and will simply be plus equal to whatever the element is here, which is nums, like nums ith element. Okay, so this will be used to calculate the first window. And after that, what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to run another for loop, and now I'm going to start I from here, and j will be here only. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, now what I want is my window should have this sum. Okay, and how can I do that? So I have calculated the sum. Okay, and the sum has the sum of 1 2 and 3, and now I want to add 4 to the sum. So now I want 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, and I have 1 plus 2 plus 3. So what I can do is I can simply add 4 in it, and I can subtract 1 from it, and I will get what I want. So what is that? It is simply that add the ith element to my sum and subtract the jth element from my sum. That's it. Okay, I'm adding this element, which is the ith element, and subtracting the jth element, which is this element. And after each iteration, I'm just going to do j plus plus. So next time j is going to be here and I is going to be here. Okay, and then I can again do that. I'll subtract 2 and I'll add 5. Okay, and for each iteration, obviously we are going to calculate the average. All right, so let's see the code. Okay, so you can see I have taken double sum. Why I have taken double? Because we have to return double. Okay, so just to ensure that we are dividing the same type of variables. So sum is 0, and this is to calculate the first window size from I equal to 0 to I equal to k, I less than k. And then double average is the sum. Why double? Because we have to return double. So double average equal to sum divided by k. Okay, to find the first average, and int j equals 0, as I said, and this is from I equal to k. Okay, why I equal to k? Because after we are done with the first window, we are going to move here. And what is this? This is actually k. What was k in this case? 3. And what is the index of this? 3. So that is why I equal to k, I less than nums dot size, I plus plus, simple. And then I have written this in 2 lines so that you can understand better, but you can write it in 1 line too. That sum equals sum minus I nums jth element, and you will add nums ith element to it, and average is the maximum of average comma sum by k. This is to ensure that we at the last we store the maximum value in the average, and then j plus plus, and then you return the average, and this runs in the best time case. And also I'm starting to also learn Java, because I've always done C or C++, but I want to learn Java too. So I wrote this program in Java too, and to be honest, this was like almost similar to it, only this was the difference, otherwise the code was exactly the same. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching. See you on day 23 to 24.